In today's video, I'll show you how to meet safely through Craigslist. First, open your browser and go to the official site craigslist.org and make sure to log in with your account. On the home page, scroll down and click Help at the bottom of the page. Then select Safety and click In-Person Transactions. Here you will find safety guidelines provided by Craigslist for meeting buyers or sellers in person. Craigslist notes that the overwhelming majority of users are trustworthy and well-meaning. However, when meeting someone for the first time, it is important to follow some safety precautions. Always insist on meeting in a public place, such as a bank, cafe, or even a police department. Some police stations provide designated buy and sell areas for safe transactions. Avoid meeting in secluded places, and do not invite strangers into your home. Be especially careful when buying or selling high-value items, and take extra precautions during the transaction. It is also a good idea to tell a friend or family member where you are going before meeting someone. You may also consider bringing a friend with you for additional safety. Finally, always trust your instincts. If something feels suspicious or uncomfortable, it is best to cancel the meeting. Taking these simple precautions helps make Craigslist safer for everyone. And that's it. That's how you meet safely through Craigslist.